How to change your wallpaper on Windows 11 without activation. This tutorial shows you how to customize your desktop background even on a non-activated copy of Windows. First, right-click on an empty area of your desktop. After that, select Personalize from the menu. From there, click on Background. At this point, click on the drop-down under Personalize your background and select Picture. In the next step, click on Browse Photos. Following this, navigate to and select the image you want to use as your wallpaper. Once done, click Choose Picture to apply it. From here, your selected image will now be set as your desktop background immediately, regardless of activation status. At this stage, keep in mind Windows activation mainly restricts things like personalization through Windows Update linked themes or certain premium features, not manually setting a picture wallpaper. Keep in mind, a non-activated Windows still allows most basic customization like this, since Microsoft only limits specific advanced personalization options. Finally, close the settings window to see your new wallpaper applied on the desktop. And that's it. If this guide helped you change your wallpaper on Windows 11 without activation, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.